The increase in gender-based violence during COVID-19 has compelled development partners to open direct community engagements for counseling discussions. MEMPROW, a non-government organization, has embarked on sensitizing young girls on mindset change and how to counter gender-based violence in their communities.
Uganda instituted a lockdown as one of the public health measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. However, some measures to respond to COVID-19 exacerbated risk factors for vulnerable populations as they could be locked in homes with their abusers, especially school-going children.
They are being violated against. If you have to depend on someone for all your financial needs, then that means most likely that person is going to take advantage of you. And also physical violence. We've had cases where people have been beaten, killed, extended our psychosocial support to the people that are emotionally tortured. We have constant follow-ups and counseling to the victims.
MEMPROW Uganda, a non-government organization, has embarked on training young girls on how they can counter the projected violence. Fechasi Mire, Programs Director at MEMPROW, says the new normal calls for societal adjustments.
Society has put their potential down. They've tried to suppress their potential. They end up being very timid and not able to come out of their shells. So they should give girls a safe space to express themselves. The different institutions like schools, families, even government policies, different workplaces should be able to make the environment very safe for girls so they can be able to express themselves.
These mentoring and empowerment programs to young women intend to establish mechanisms to mitigate effects of COVID-19.
The skills we learned, the social surviving skills they told us about, one should be, everyone is important. You should not undermine yourself, that we should know that everything starts with us. We should not depend on others. We can work for ourselves.
Because parents are not giving us what the proper advice on how we should live. Parents are fearing to advise their children on what sex is. They want to leave the society, teach their children. They want to leave their children, learn from the society. They fear to expose that sexual education to their children. Another thing, they are not providing what we girls need. For example, pads.
This trend of events ultimately provides an opportunity for urgent gender-based violence interventions to ensure development partners promote human rights. Lydia Chomkama, UBC News.